Arctic Monkeys were musical guests on the latest episode of The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon. Sheffield's favorites played 4 out of 5 from their new album Tranquility Base Hotel. The new record marks Arctic Monkeys' first new full-length in 5 years, following 2013's AM, with the new material emerging as Turner's lyrics are both his most literal, fascinating and obscure to date, as described by Far Out magazine yesterday. The performance of 4 out of 5 marked their first television performance in 4 years for The Tonight Show audience. Here it is.